Hello, I'm Vince Bourbon with We Are Airstream of Chandler, and I wanted to go over the technique and process in operating the manual awning on an Airstream trailer. So, depending on the size of the trailer, the locking mechanism could be a little bit different. On this particular one, you've got two locks here. This lock will get unlocked. This lock will be unlocked, as you can see. You're going to have the tool that comes with your Airstream trailer. You use the smaller end to grab the flap, and you're just going to pull this down. Now, it does have tension, so you're going to want to hold on to it. And as you bring it down, don't be afraid to kind of really hold on to it. Grab a flap, and then you're going to come over to one of the arms. As you pull the arm down, you're going to grab one of the arms that you're going to lock in. So this just comes out, and it goes to this connection here, not this connection, but this one up here. So when you hook it in here, now you want to lock this in so we can let go and it won't go back into place. So you can either push straight down this way, or depending on your height, you can pull this way. You want to be straight on. Once you pull it, as you can see, that just locked. So this would be how you would unlock it, but we've locked this one in, so now you can walk away, and we're going to do the other side. So we'll come over here. Once again, you're just going to pull this arm manually away. You're going to come over here. You're going to lock this in, and then pull that down. So now you're completely locked on the upper arms, and then depending on the height of how you want your trailer, you're going to pull this pin out. When you pull this out, it releases these connections, and now you can go up. It's recommended to go 1 to 2 intervals. So that's 2. Then I'm going to come to the other side. Same process. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to go up 2 intervals. You could keep going up however high you want. And then this will roll up under here, the flap, and then your awning is out. Now, if you want, let's say it's raining and you want the rainwater to come off, you can bring one of the sides down, or if the sun is there, you have different options. Then to put the awning back, we are going to bring this all the way down. We're going to go to the other side. We're going to bring this arm back to the lowered position. Then we're going to need to release the upper arms. You're going to pull down. That releases it. Then you're going to pull this out, bring this in, and just let it sit in there. You don't have to lock it. It's just going to sit in there. We're going to go to the other side. Same process. You're going to release the upper arm, pull it up. It's going to go back in. It's going to just sit right here. Now you're going to want to hold on to your awning because it is on tension. It'll want to go back up automatically. So you just kind of hold on and then slowly let this roll up. Let it seat in. Then you're going to relock the awning down to the frame as such. And now you're ready to travel.